Happy Thanksgiving. So today I'm going to show you how to make candied yams. My husband brought home a little extra yams, so I decided to go ahead and just put them together. So I began with, this was one really huge yam, and I just sliced it into rounds. I used a half a cup of orange juice, a cup of sugar. You can use brown sugar. I just prefer white sugar. I use a stick of butter as well as a teaspoon of vanilla. I was completely out of cinnamon, so I actually used a cinnamon stick. And what you see is I'm bringing the yams and all the ingredients to a boil, and then I'm just going to let them simmer. The goal is to let the ingredients sort of caramelize. One of the reasons I don't use brown sugar is sometimes it turns the yams a little darker than I want, and I like to preserve the color. And so once again, as the yams are cooking and they are caramelizing and the syrup sort of thickens, I transfer those to a bowl. They're ready to serve. It takes about an hour and a half, maybe two on low, and it's a perfect Thanksgiving dish to have cooking in the background.